In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit email templates in Pipedrive. Start by heading to the Pipedrive website and signing in. Click the login button and enter your account credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt as well. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open the Accounts area. This is your gateway to company-level settings and tools. If you don't immediately see it, look for your profile or company menu at the top right and navigate there. Inside Accounts, locate Tools and Apps. This section brings together the features that support your daily workflow, including email capabilities. Next, open the Email section. This is where your templates live and where you'll manage the content you reuse across Outreach. You'll see a list of available templates. Choose a template that matches the type of message you want to send, whether it's a follow-up, an introduction, or a reminder. Take a moment to preview the layout and note any merge fields, like names or organization details, which Pipedrive can automatically pull from your records. Click Continue to move into the editor. Now, use the highlight option to focus on the area you want to change. Highlighting helps you quickly find and select text blocks, buttons, or sections you plan to tweak. While you're in the editor, you can also add actions to your email template, such as connecting it to automations or defining what should happen when the email is used. Keep it simple at first. Only add actions that directly support your workflow. When you're satisfied, you can proceed with using the template. Now it's time to edit your email template. Update the subject line so it's clear, concise, and relevant. Refresh the body copy to match your brand voice, and make sure any placeholders are accurate and present. If you're using variables like a contact's first name, confirm they're mapped correctly. Adjust formatting, headings, spacing, and links, so the message is scannable and professional. If your template includes a call to action button, ensure the link is correct and the wording is action-oriented. Keep accessibility in mind by using readable font sizes and descriptive link text. When everything looks good, save your changes. Saving finalizes your updates so the template is ready for your team to use right away. If your organization has permissions in place, make sure you have access to edit and share templates. That's it. Your email template is now edited and ready to support consistent, high-quality communication in Pipedrive.